Welcome to a new Tech Solutions video. Today I will teach you how to make a gradient background in Photoshop. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay until the end of the video where I will show you how. The first thing we need to do is have a Photoshop document open. Next, we will click on the layer menu and then select the new fill layer option. Then we will select the solid color option. In the solid color dialog box, we will choose the color that we want for our gradient overlay. Once we have chosen our color, we will click on the OK button. This will create a new solid color layer filled with our chosen color. With the new solid color layer selected, we will right click on the layer and then select blending options. In the blending options dialog box, we will select the gradient overlay option. This will open the gradient overlay settings. In the gradient overlay settings, we will choose the type of gradient that we want to use. We can also choose the colors of our gradient, the angle of the gradient, and the opacity of the gradient. Once we have chosen our gradient settings, we will click on the OK button. This will apply the gradient overlay to our solid color layer. And that's it, we have successfully created a gradient overlay in Photoshop. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, subscribe and give us a like. I will see you in a next Tech Solutions video.